Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you'll see by the thumbnail guys, today we're going to be reviewing Fibreking UK's products that they kindly sent me this week. So they sent me the fallout remover, the Supreme car shampoo, they have room quick detailer, and a Blizzard snow foam, as well as a pack of microfiber cloths and a drying towel. So let's see how we get on. This week's vehicle of choice is my mother's lime green Renault Clio. Now this thing doesn't get washed very often, so I thought, well, why not? So as always guys, we always start with the dirtiest parts of the car, and that is the arches, tyres and wheels. Now because Fibreking UK don't do their own citrus, I used Autosmart G101 just on the tyres and arches. This is sped up a little bit because obviously it's not part of the review. So up first guys, we have the Terminator fallout remover. Now it's designed basically to dissolve brake dust and iron contaminants that stick to your wheels, your paint and your trim. So basically you spray on, it reacts, turns purple, and then you rinse off, or you can agitate it like I am with a few brushes like the Easy barrel brush and the Viking soft bristle brush. So what did I think about this Terminator iron fallout remover? Well, what can you say about a fallout remover guys? You spray it on, it goes purple, it reacts, it bleeds, and you rinse off. So as fallout removers go, it did its job well. Didn't smell as bad as others, and it did make the wheels come out alright. So all in all, pleased. So this is something I normally don't do, but as said previous, they don't do a citrus pre-wash, so I took the initiative and I rinsed off first. As you'll see on the next clip, I make 3 fingerprint marks in the dust. So this is just, we're going to apply the snow foam and see how well the snow foam tackles this dirt. So next up, we have Blizzard, which is their snow foam. And on their website, guys, they say this is the thickest snow foam out there. And upon using, it is very, very thick. So this snow foam is pH neutral. It is wax and LSP safe. And also I mixed it at 1 part product, 10 parts water for, they say, a thick blanket of foam. Now, there's no word of a lie, I probably could have gone in, ate my cooked dinner, had half hour kip, come back outside, and it would have still stuck to this car. It was that thick. So just watch as I finish spraying this snow foam to the side of the car. You will see it doesn't move. There's no movement there at all, not one drip, nothing. And this is how much the snow foam moved after 10 minutes. So, this is the side that I placed the 3 fingerprint marks. Now, bearing in mind there was no citrus, this is just snow foam power. Now, it didn't do too bad. Now, I know snow foams, they don't really have a lot of cleaning power to them. If any, they are just designed to allow the citrus underneath to dwell that little bit longer. But it did shift a little bit of dirt. Next up, we got Supreme Car Shampoo. Now, as always guys, you'll see on this channel, I always apply my shampoos via snow foam lance. Now this bright green liquid smelled absolutely superb as I applied it via snow foam lance. Now, I thought it was like an apple-y scent, but looking on their website, it's a love heart sweet smell, they say. Now there's no denying that this shampoo works very well in an MJJC snow foam lance, and again it is very foamy. Again, same as the snow foam, it is pH neutral and it's wax and sealant safe, and it is very slick under the mitt. Now I really enjoyed using this and I will definitely be using it again. So we're going in for another rinse down. This is to get rid of all the shampoo suds. So now we've done our pre-wash and our wash procedure, guys, we're just going to go around the car now and we're going to hit it with Terminator, the iron fallout, just to see if there's any fallout on the body, the trims, or even the glass. And we're going to look for that deep purple iron fallout reaction, which there was some. It wasn't a lot, which surprised me, but there was a little bit on the wings and it was a little bit on the back. So also in the bundle I received from Fibreking was a dry-in towel. And as always, guys, I am open and honest with you, and this wasn't for me. I didn't like it at all. It took multiple times to go around the car just to dry it off. Now, bearing in mind, this car hasn't got any protection on it. I could have used a drying aid, but I wanted to see the towel perform. Now, on the other hand, these premium microfiber cloths are something else. Now, these are top tier quality cloths, guys. These are £24 for a pack of 36, which was kindly sent to me. These cloths are very, very good, and they will be replacing my current macro Kirklands that I use. So now we're on to Vroom. It's their quick detailer. Now the first thing you notice you using this, guys, is the smell. Really, really nice smell. A few spritz on the bonnet, buffs in nice, buffs off very, very easy. I'd just like to say a big massive thank you to Fibreking UK for sending me this stuff out to try. I really do appreciate it. So that's it for another one, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments down below. I'll catch you on the next one.